Hello everybody. Yes, we are on yet another shopping trip. We've got to load the car up. I think we'll be near capacity today. We got Hank and Luna, and I think we're ready to go. So let's hit the road. We're just on Interstate 26 now, headed east. First stop will be Costco, and then possibly Sam's, and then on to Wally Mart down here. Trying to get the last few things for the big party. Got dogs, my wife, and everybody here in the Model Y. Gonna see how much stuff we can put in here today. There's Hanky. And there's Luna. This is how they travel real well. I drive on autopilot just about everywhere here. We made it to Costco, so let's put the system here on dog mode. You go and you hit the temperature, and then you press dog mode. Now the car is on dog mode, and if you don't know what that is, here's what it does. Climate and screen will stay on after I exit. Sentry mode will be disabled. For pets, never leave a child unattended. Of course, pets are okay, but don't be leaving your kids in the car on dog mode. All right, we're heading into the store. Not many folks are here today in Costco, but the cart or the buggy is getting full. We're getting it done. Here's a progress report. Yeah, we're getting there. Still got more space. Shoot, the Model Y will hold 3 of these baskets here. I think we're almost in overload here. Look at this. Yeah, you haven't seen so much stuff. Look at this. Yeah, I got a few more items, but I think we're pretty much in overload here before the basket breaks. I'd say we're full. Last few items. I know what's going through your mind is, what in the heck do you need all that stuff for? Well, we've got a gigantic party planned here. And we got a bunch of folks coming over. And we're good. Now I feel like the captain of the Titanic. We had so much stuff during checkout, they split us into 2 here, as you can see. Yeah, the Y doesn't care. It'll still deal with it. No problem. This is what you do. You take your summon, you hold down that little up arrow, and watch what the car does. There you go. That looks good. Gives us plenty of room to get in the back now. We put these baskets in the back. All the waters and everything. So I think we're good. Get it done. If you're a regular viewer, you know about Teslas and the amount of storage there is here. Gigantic amount. So we'll load all the heavy stuff we can down in the bottom here first, and then up onto the flat spot. The bottom hatch is now full. 40 bottles of water. It looks like I got 32 sodas, cucumbers, pistachios, lemonade, and a whole bunch of tortillas. All right, now time to load the top part here. We've stuck the little cubbies on the sides full of goodies. And bread, the sodas, water, stuff like that. Now we're ready for the cold bags. We are getting full. All the chips and breakables on top. That about it?
Yep.
Wow, how about that? There you go, a whole rear end for the Model Y full now. Looking good. Boy, it's going to be a heck of a party. All right, on to the next store to buy more. There you go. Model Y is mostly full here. Go pick up Sue, taking the carts back here. Voice commands here in the Tesla is really awesome, so watch. The mirrors fold when you do summon. Unfold mirrors. Just like that. We're here at Wally Mart. Time for dog mode. Just like that. See you guys later. Yeah, can you believe it? A whole new basket here. Chuck full of stuff. It's okay, the Model Y will gobble it up. Just leaving Walmart here now. Let's hold it. That it? That's a good thing about summon. Just move the car up when you get to it. Should be good. Thank you. All right.
Let's put some in the trunk, and then some in by the dogs, and then...
All right, go ahead and pop the front. Right here. And then it open. There you go. All right, let's see what we can stick in the frunk here.
Maybe we can do all the heavier stuff.
Okay. All right.
We'll do milk and...
Yeah. Do you have another cold bag or no?
No.
All right, well, we're going to stick all this someplace, probably most of it here in the frunk. There you have it. The frunk's pretty full. Still got a few more spaces here. Anything else you can think of, or are you good?
You got to put stuff in behind you.
Okay. What's this? I think we can put this in here. Yeah, look at that. All right, what else? Well, that's it. I think I'm going to stop at this point. Got a lot of stuff. Got almost the entire shopping cart in the frunk. Let's put a few things inside and I think we're good to go. That about does it. I put box cereal here and some more chips in the back. If we take a look here, you can see we even filled up there between Hank and Luna. You guys good? All right. Just leaving Walmart now, headed over to Chick-fil-A. Unfold the mirrors. Don't you just love voice commands? What do you see in there, Hanky? Something good? We're in line here at Chick-fil-A. Gonna get a couple of chicken sandwiches, I think. Westbound now on Interstate 26, heading home. Car is loaded, front is full, the back is full, got the pups, got my wife. We're good.
Our bellies are full.
Just off the interstate here now. Yet another shopping day. We've got a big event coming up Saturday. Got folks coming over and a lot of stuff to eat. So we are loaded here in the Model Y. When you need to go shopping, you need to make sure your vehicle will hold whatever you buy. In our case, of course, it's quite extreme to buy all this stuff, but depending upon what size of the things you buy, it's really great to know that your car will hold all of it. Yet again, here the Model Y hasn't let us down. It allowed us to get everything we need, plus us and the dogs. So it's been a good day. If you like today's video, go ahead and click the like, and if you would, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.